Today we're going to install a battery on a 2013 G37. Alright, to get this battery out, you had to take a couple of things out of the way. So let's go ahead and install it now. I'm going to go ahead and drop the battery into the battery bay. Alright, after you put the battery in there, we're going to go ahead and secure it.
Wait. Don't forget, you have to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, Remy. Alright, let's go ahead and strap the battery down. Here is the clamp, and we're going to go ahead and secure it. Alright, and this is how this battery clamp goes. This little hook. There's a little hook on the firewall back there behind the battery. It's going to go right in there. Then this one here. There is a little hook right down there. Really can't see it, but let me go ahead and zoom in. Can we clear it out? There it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that sucker in there. Alright, there it is. The back one is secured. Let's go ahead and secure this front one. It's going to be a 10mm socket. Let's go ahead and tie this down, or a wrench. The socket that I have is too short, so it doesn't reach. And let's go ahead and put all this plastic back together. And then, alright, once we have that trim back together, let's go ahead and put these retainer clips back into place. You could do this last, or you could do this as we go. Next thing we got to do after that is connect these positive and negative terminals. Let's go ahead and connect the positive first. Then we'll connect the negative next. Let's go ahead and secure those. Alright, after you have everything secured, the last thing we're going to put, well, second to the last, is this cover piece here. And this also takes 3 retainer clips. Here, here, and here. Let's go ahead and insert them all. Alright, there it is, nice and secured. Now we just put this cover on. Just like so. Alright, and there it is. And you're set. Let's go ahead and start it up.